2022 CR 6940, State of Texas versus Bernardo Huerta. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Kathy Compton for Mr. Huerta.
And are you Mr. Huerta?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with the discovery. Mr. Huerta, I'm showing you what's entitled application for community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're going with the lesser included all offensive robbery, and we are waiving the enhancement paragraph.
Any objection?
No.
Showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the lesser, well, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offensive robbery. That's a second degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
We're asking to do so, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
I would just ask that the court follow our plea bargain agreement. My client's been in custody for a very long time. We've negotiated for a very long time, and I believe that this is in his best interest. He's recently a first-time grandfather, and I have seen a huge change in his demeanor and just, I think his outlook has changed very much. So I would ask just that you follow the plea bargain, Judge.
Okay. And what auto parts were you taking from O'Reilly's?
Some headlights.
And how much are headlights?
They were like, I think they were $50 or something like that. I'm not too sure, y'all.
So
Now here's the kicker. Bernardo spent 13 months in jail over $50 worth of headlights. The judge presses him on why he didn't simply return the property or pay for it. This moment highlights a key legal principle. Taking what doesn't belong to you can escalate quickly into serious felony charges. And notice how the plea bargain impacts sentencing. Even minor actions have major consequences. What would you have done in his situation? Comment below.
Something else. Why didn't you just return it?
They weren't no longer in my possession, Your Honor, when they found them. So it was really.
But why do people have to chase you down to give back their property? That's the number one thing that people are taught in school. Don't take what doesn't belong to you.
Yes.
And how old are you?
I'm 35 now, Your Honor.
So you should have known that.
Yes, sir.
It shouldn't take a grandchild to make you realize that you shouldn't take what doesn't belong to you. And the tattoos you have, what are they about? And are they related to an organization?
No, man. I only got, while I was in prison, I got associated because of tattoos I got before I went to prison.
No, I understand. The reason why I ask sometimes about tattoos, I'm just interested in tattoos. I always want to know about people's life because that tells me some things and help me make conditions for you. But the other reason why I'm always interested in tattoos, because some tattoos are related to different organizations.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So do you have any employment prospects? What are you going to do when
Let's
you're
pause and look at Bernardo's life outside the courtroom. He's a first-time grandfather, has his own lawn service, and family ready to support him. The judge considers these personal factors during sentencing, showing how courts weigh rehabilitation alongside punishment. This is the human side of justice. Your choices, past actions, and family circumstances all play a role. It's not just black and white, it's real lives being shaped in this courtroom.
Who's the
My daughter,
the 16-year-old?
no, I'm sorry, she's 16 now, and he's 15, he's 17.
So your daughter has
A
a
baby.
child with the 17-year-old.
She's a 17-year-old.
All right. So your daughter is now 17 and not 16?
No, my daughter's 16,
Mhm.
and she has the baby
All right. And she has a child with a 17-year-old.
with another child her age. Yes.
All right, how many grandchildren do you have?
Just one
Just one, and that's from the 16-year-old.
from the 16-year-old.
And is the grandchild living with you all? Or going to
Yes,
live?
he's in our house. But they have an adult that lives there with them
Okay,
at the time. Yes.
and who is the adult who lives with them? What
It's
is,
my mother.
okay. So your mother is a great grandmother.
Yes, John.
So she's taking care of her grandchildren and now a great
A
grandchild.
great grandchild. But only because of my absence, John. Yes.
Well, no, because
Well, yes.
Children know.
Yes, you're right. John.
and has she graduated from high school?
She's continuing still. Yeah, yes.
All right, I'm going to sentence you to 8 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 8 years. There's a $500 fine that will be probated. Probation will do gang supervision. There's to be no contact with any O'Reillys.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think that leaves AutoZone and other places, but no contact with O'Reillys.
Yes, John.
There's going to be 100 hours of community service restitution. That can be waived if he completes parenting classes and probation, whichever parenting classes you think would work with him. So where are your children's? Where is their mom?
So another crazy story. She is actually back in the picture now and living there with them as well.
All right. So was Child Protective Services involved?
No, not for my kids.
All right. For her children?
No, we only have our children.
All right. Okay. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Is there any drug issues with you?
No, yeah.
All right, we'll do regular UAs. Field visits. One time per month. I'm sorry, one time every 3 months. Probation, is there anything else?
Are you mandating the parents' classes or you saying it's based
Oh, no, I'm mandating them.
on nothing else?
Is there anything else you need from the court, sir?
Yes, John. I just wanted to clear something up for you because I think this is where you were kind of got the misinterpretation. I lost my children to the state and my mom adopted them.
Okay.
So that's
All right, so I'm going to do no unsupervised contact with minors.
that way you understand that that's why I'm around.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to do no unsupervised contact with minors, and this is what I'm going to tell you about CPS cases, and your attorney can probably tell you this as well. I don't know what the legal paperwork says about her adoption,
Yes, ma'am.
but what I do know, if she adopted your children, which means that your rights were terminated and the mother's rights were terminated, I'm sure CPS is not expecting you all to act as babysitters or anything of that nature. You understand?
It's only well, yes, ma'am. I understand what you mean.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
It sounds like you gave it all to me already, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to the attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. In this court, to be successful in probation, and I think you've been here before, so you know, communication is key. If there is an issue, let probation know. If you feel like probation is not addressing that issue, you can always come back to court and speak with me. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
R 9686B, State of Texas versus Betty Jean Gonzalez, AKA Betty Jean Gonzalez, one with the Z, one with an S. All right, can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Jump as for defense.
And are you Ms. Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Okay. Are you saying Betty Jean Gonzalez, who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 9686B for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams on February 2nd, 2023 for a period of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, ma'am. Violated condition number 1, on or about the 6th day of May, 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Betty Jean Gonzalez, AKA Betty Jean Gonzalez, committed the offense of possession controlled substance penalty group 1 in violation of condition number 1. And actually, Judge, if I could make an oral amendment to this, this doesn't allege the amount, but it should be possession.
Oh,
of-
you don't need to
Oh, okay.
put the amount in, counsel.
Okay, sorry, Judge.
Oh, no, no problem.
And we waive the other violations.
All right, to violation of condition number 1, how do you plead, true or not true?
True.
And with regards to the state's waivers, defense, do you have any objection?
No objections, Judge.
All right, did you understand by pleading the violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there an agreement?
There is, Judge. I've spoken to defense counsel and Deshaun with probation, and we'd like to refer the defendant to felony drug court, Judge. And if she's not accepted in the felony drug court, we'd like her to go to inpatient, either SATF or SAFE, Judge.
All right, defense, is that the agreement?
It is, Judge.
All right, Ms. Gonzalez, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. Would you state your name for the record?
Betty Jean Gonzalez.
All right. So, Ms. Gonzalez, you know yourself better than I do, better than your attorney does, and better than probation does. If you want the treatment and you have a drug problem, I will most definitely refer you. I'll deny the motion, refer you to felony drug court. If felony drug court doesn't accept you, then you will be accepted into an inpatient treatment facility. But you know whether you can do this or not. Now, with the amount of drugs you had, even though it was reduced to possession, felony drug court may not accept you. And that's based upon the amount of drugs you have. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, so I can do that, or if you would like, I can revoke you and I will sentence you to 4 years in the prison. So it's completely up to you. When people want help, I want to give them help. I want people to do better. I note that you have people in your life, probably young people in your life, because I ordered parenting classes for you. But if you're not ready to take the help and ready to really work hard, because you're going to have to work really hard to maintain your sobriety, to not pick up any more cases. And I know with the possession less than, with the possession penalty group 1, I know the only difference between that case that you have and not having it is the fact that you didn't get a chance to use it. So I understand that. So what would you like to do? If you would like to discuss it with your attorney, you can, but you know yourself better than I do and he does.
I do need the help.
All
I
right.
really do want the help.
So you want the help?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'm going to give you the help, but you're going to have to make better decisions. When things happen in your life, the go-to can't be, I'm going to go out and get drugs, because otherwise what's going to end up happening is you're going to have another case and you're going to be back before me. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The court will deny the motion, alter and amend conditions, to do a referral to felony drug court. If not accepted, then inpatient treatment. Either at, if probation, if you're recommending SATA for safety, all right, that'll be SATA. And if SATA doesn't accept her, then it will be ISF, cognitive and substantive track. And this is to happen while in custody. If you are accepted in felony drug court will be the person that is over your probation. The only time you'll come back to me is if you are unsuccessful, or if you're coming back to me asking me to appear at your graduation.
Yes.
And I always, if I'm
In the
in
end, the court denied altering conditions but referred the defendant to felony drug court or inpatient treatment with probation oversight. This case illustrates the balance between accountability and rehabilitation, especially for first-time offenders. Every choice matters, and the stakes are high. If this case shocked you as much as it did us, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
you, good luck.
Thank you. Excuse.